Hello sir, welcome to another video, and in this video I want to show you one more website, and this is my second entry, and the website I have developed in this video in the same as the previous website, but wait, I see. Okay, so the expectation of the design and some function of this website, and this is the shop page, and this is the single product page. So your website link, so I just copy and open a new tab, then paste and go, and your website has been full open. So first of all I use your brand logo, and here is the menu. You can see home, store means shop page, and blog or news. And when a user or customer want to create an account on this website, user can create their account here, this page. So if I click the my account page, you can see you will register here your email and password, and if you already have a register in this website, you can log in your username or email address, then password. So now I close this tab and go to our home page, and last I added a contact page. So here is the contact page. Here your some description, and you can see visit our office, and here is the Google map. So if a user want to see your direct office and organization, user want to go your location. Okay, so first of all I use a banner, and then here is the product category. You can see the t-shirt, pants, jacket, and last the cap. Or if you click the category image, you can see that t-shirt category, all of product has been shown here, only the t-shirt. So now close, and then pant, you can see only for pant category product are here. Now close, and you can see the caps collection, then I put the t-shirt collection, only the t-shirt, then pants collection, and last I put the jacket collection. So if I want to purchase a product, I want to buy this product, you can see here is the social media button, and if you have already Facebook page, you can register here, include here. So this is your product, this is your product name, some description, short description, and category. You can see. Now I back and click the new product, because this product already sold out. So this is the product price, and here is the quantity. You can buy 1, 2 or 3 if you want to buy more product. And here is the product description and review, same to same previous website. And you can share this product on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest and Gmail. So now I buy this product, so I click the add to cart button, and you can see the 𝘧𝘰𝘶𝘯𝘥𝘦𝘳 black color has been added to our cart. So now I click the view cart button, and you can see the product show here, the price and quantity only one. And if you have a coupon code, you can use. So now I proceed to checkout, but I want to tell you a important thing, because if you want to buy this product you must be login on this website. So now I create an account and register here for my demo email address and password, only the wait, okay, and register here. And you can see my account has been created, and this is my name. So now I want to check out my product, and my first name, last name, if I have a company, so I just put my demo content. You can see the demo content, district, postcode and phone number, email address, only demo. And I want to buy this product, cash on delivery, and last place order. And you can see our product and order has been received. So this is the order number and date, issue date, and my email has been shown here, total, and payment method cash on delivery, and my billing address show here. So let's see if a user and customer has a purchase a product, then what a admin need to this situation. So wait, I log out my demo account and log in into my main account on this website. So first of all I need to go my cPanel, and then my sites, then my website which I developed for you. It's almost done, and now we are logged as admin on this website. So here is the order, You can see the order has been processing now. And how to complete this product? So first of all, I need to view this product, because okay, you can see the order number and billing address. As I put this demo content, same to same here, and payment method, cash on delivery, product 1, and total $35. So if I complete this product, I want to click the complete button, and now you can see our product has been completed. Also, this website has many features. So if you need a professional or best website, please make me the winner on your contest, so that I can give you this website. So I want to tell you, first you need to choose the best design. Here is my one design, and two design has been here, but I recommend you this website because this is the complete website, and so you don't have to need more time spent. Bye bye.